Terima kasih. Thank you very much, everyone here. Uh, First, I like to share my screen. Okay. I like to say hello to my teacher, Pak Richard Menko. He is my teacher actually since my undergrad. Nice to see you, still kicking and still healthy. Okay.
Selamat pagi Pak Ono.
Pagi Pak Richard. Okay. So I will talk in English, but my presentation is about the possibility to make a compiler for indigenous language. So we use indigenous character and build a compiler for that. Okay. This is so thank you very much for Pandi. Actually, this idea is coming from a coffee shop discussion with Pak Heru Nugroho, and we talk about exactly the same as Pak Chokorda mentioned about the security. If we want to, my background is more on internet and security and stuff like that. So having in security area, if we want to make it a system secure, we have to make sure nobody can read the script. So if we can use indigenous font, then we will be secure, as Pak Chokorda mentioned. So the idea is, how can we build a compiler using indigenous font? Okay. I'm not an expert in language. I'm not an expert in compiler. This is a learning process notes of the learning process. If we try to decode or encode, I hope my slide is clear enough. I know many people. Oh, okay, my slide is clear enough. Okay. uh, okay. If we want to decode and encode an indigenous language, the problem is human use text, the computer speaks bytes. That's the problem. So we need to a table to map between text and bytes. It is done by Unicode.org. So we have to thank Unicode.org. The problem is the table is not distributedly to many operating systems. So some of the font will show up as tofu, as tahu. So in Indonesian language is tahu, in English is tofu. I'll show you what the tofu looks like. So this is unicode.org. We can check Javanese Unicode chart. We can download from unicode.org, or you can search the Google Javanese Unicode, and we find the table like this. We keep in mind the number is 0A9 something. That's Javanese, or 1A9 something. That's Javanese. That's the number of the Javanese code. And this one is Sundanese. 01B something is Sundanese. Okay. And this one is Batak script. 01B something. BC, BD, BE, BF. That's Bataks. And then how to use the Unicode. Then I'm facing a problem. That's how the problem showed up. How to use the Unicode is easy for Latin character or Greek character. Okay, this is the Greek character. You can download the Greek character Unicode. We can use Python interpreter, and we can find the table 03B2, 03B2, something here is beta, and we can see beta here. Just type it like this. 00, if we want more bytes, 00003A3. 03A3 is Sigma like this, and we can find Sigma here. Okay, so Sigma, we can find Sigma. This is a Python interpreter. So we can see it is not a tahu, it's not a tofu. The problem with Javanese, then we find tofu like this. Because the problem is, so when I try, when I experiment, I found, okay, yes, Unicode has the table like this, but the font is not built into the operating system yet. We need to download, as Pak Ilham mentioned, we need to download the character from the internet. Okay, so we need to download. Hopefully, if we can make the compiler, so only those who able to read the character can understand the coding, except Busara, of course, because Busara can read these things. So we have a problem with Busara. This is Balinese in Python, same thing. Okay. Uh, so I need to download. This is the coding. Is something like this. For example, coding in Python. This is Unicode. 0x1b91 is Unicode. I can show you how it looks like. But I have installed the Google No More Tofu character. It's called Google Noto or No More Tofu character. Let me see. Okay, let me make it bigger so you guys can read better here. Okay, Python 3. Okay, I paste the code here. Okay, you can see it show the character here. Latin, Greek, Javanese, Balinese, Sundanese, Batak. Okay, so it works. On my computer, of course, it works because I already installed the Google No More Tofu character. If I uninstall the No More Tofu character, it's gone. So, to be honest, our effort is how to convince the operating system developer, how to convince Android, how to convince browser to install the No More Tofu character into their system, so people can build these things. To have those, maybe I'll continue my presentation before. So this is the result. So if I'm not installing the No More Tofu character, I will get a tofu like this. So a square tofu. Let me go to the compiler. Compiler is computer software that transforms source language into target language. Target language is normally machine language. The source code normally is higher level programming language, C, C++, Objective-C, Java, Fortran, and so on, and translate into assembly language that run by the machine. Okay, so its compiler normally it has several process in it. It has front end, middle end, and also translator into machine code here at the back end. Okay, this is the example for C compiler. Basically, it has parser, generalizer, glimfire, and so on, and it generates the assembly program. The interesting thing is people already make the framework for the compiler. One of the open source framework for compiler is LLVM. So we can build compiler using LLVM. It's open source, it's free. We can use C language and we can use any other language, including using local indigenous font. And then we can compile and we can translate into Intel, ARM, or other machine language that understand. So the compiler framework is there. We need to modify, make the computer or operating system understand the indigenous font, and then compile it, and then machine will understand. So the major problem is not in the compiler itself. The major problem is how computer understand the local indigenous language. That's the major problem. So this is basically the compiler, the steps in the compiler. I will not go through this because it's very technical. This is the example of our problem right now. If we browse the Wikipedia for Unicode chart of Balinese, it's tofu. It's not Balinese, it's tofu. It's again Javanese, tofu. Again Batak, tofu. Again Sundanese, tofu. So all tofu. So this is our, what's that? This is our task, maybe. Our higher task to work together. Of course, Pak Cokorda has been working on it. Maybe Pak Ilham, Pak Richard have been. Many people, the community has been working on it. Some people of the language center of the Ministry of Education has been working on it to work hard. But we need to work together. The Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Research, the Ministry of Perdagangan. we need to invest on Unicode data, so it will include it into the operating system. I really, really hope we can build application for students to learn the local indigenous language, so people in the world can see, okay, this character is actually used by the Indonesian people actually using this character, so we need to include the character into the operating system. Otherwise people will be having difficulty to learn the local indigenous character. This is not a single organization task. Thank you very much for Pandi for having this conference, but this actually the homework for many of us, include especially the government, to move to back to the operating system developer, to back to the browser developer, to include the Unicode into their system. Otherwise, all of us will be in trouble. With that, I would like to say thank you for the opportunity. I hope I can give some lights. This is actually my complaint. When we build this thing, this is my complaint. I hope my complaint is not too strong enough. Thank you very much. I give it back to the moderator. Thank you. Thank you.